Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murhar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability case sheet previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2016. So y value, x value given, then find out dy by dx. This kind of problems, very easy method. We should multiply x and y. xy is equal to, so what is the x value? E to the power secant inverse 1 by t square minus 1. E to the power secant inverse 1 by t square minus 1 into e to the power sin inverse of t square minus 1. Now xy is equal to, if bases equal, powers are added. E to the power secant inverse 1 by t square minus 1 plus sin inverse t square minus 1. We have one formula, secant inverse of 1 by t square minus 1. So secant inverse of 1 by x, this will be cos inverse x. Secant inverse 1 by x is equal to cos inverse of x. So xy is equal to e to the power secant inverse of 1 by t square minus 1. This will be cos inverse of t square minus 1. Cos inverse of t square minus 1. According to this formula, secant inverse of 1 by x, cos inverse x. Secant inverse of 1 by t square minus 1, cos inverse of t square minus 1. Plus sin inverse of t square minus 1. We have sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore xy is equal to e to the power cos inverse of t square minus 1 plus sin inverse of t square minus 1. This will be pi by 2. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, applying derivative on both sides. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx of xy is equal to d by dx of e to the power pi by 2. So pi by 2 constant, e to the power pi by 2 constant. So this value will be 0, constant derivative. Now by using uv formula, uv. So differentiation of, what is uv formula? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. In this x into derivative of y, dy by dx plus y into derivative of x, d by dx of x. This will be 0. So dx get cancelled. So x dy by dx is equal to, plus y bring the right side. So x dy by dx is equal to minus y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, so minus y by x answer. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So second option correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016 question. X to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y. Okay, we have to find dy by dx. So options are given. This is the given condition. This is in the form of variable power variable. So what is the working rule? Taking logarithm on both sides. Okay, now log of x to the power y is equal to log of e to the power x minus y. We have one formula, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. N into log m. So by using that formula, log x to the power y, so y log x. So y into log x. This will be, this is also same, log of e to the power x minus y. This x minus y into log e. So this would be x minus y into log e. But log e value 1. Log e means base e, this is 1. So y log x is equal to x minus y. This minus y bring the left side. Then y log x plus y is equal to x. But our target is dy by dx. In this, on left side y take out common. Log x plus 1 is equal to x. Therefore y is equal to x by log x plus 1. Now y is equal to x by log x plus 1. We got it. Now applying derivative on both sides by using u by v formula. So what is the u by v formula? Dy by dx is equal to v into u by v whole dash is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx, this whole divided by v square. That is u by v formula. Now where u v place in substitute x and 1 plus log x. V into log x plus 1 into v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. This whole divided by log x plus 1 whole square, v square. This would be log x plus 1 dx to dx get cancelled minus x times of derivative of log x 1 and derivative of 1 0. So 1 by x plus 0 1 by x. This whole divided by log x plus 1 whole square. In this x get cancelled, as well as this is plus 1 minus 1 also get cancelled. What is got it? Log x by log x plus 1 whole square. So option 3 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016. The differential coefficient of log x base 10 with respect to log 10 base x. How can solve? We have one formula, the differential coefficient of y with respect to x. This is nothing but the derivative of y, capital Y with respect to x is dy by dx. So dy by dx means the derivative of y with respect to x. In this y value log x base 10 and x value log 10 base x given, where y is equal to log x base 10 and x is equal to log 10 base x. Okay, what is our target? dy by dx. This is equal to d. What is y? D for derivative log x base 10. This whole divided by derivative of x. This will be, we have one formula log a base b. Log a base b is equal to log a by log b. Log a by log b. Log x base 10. This can be written as log x by log 10. This whole divided by, in denominator log 10 base x. This can be written as log 10 by log x. Log 10 by log x. This is equal to, in this 1 by log 10 constant, derivative of log x 1 by x. So 1 by log 10 into derivative of log x, this will be 1 by x. This whole divided by, in denominator log 10 constant, log 10 constant, derivative of 1 by log x. Derivative of 1 by log x, right? Derivative of 1 by log x. Okay, continuation. 1 by log 10 into 1 by x. Log 10 into derivative of 1 by log x. We have derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Okay. So derivative of 1 by log x. Okay, 1 by log 10 into 1 by x by log 10 into The derivative of 1 by log x. This will be minus 1 by log x whole square. According to this formula, derivative of 1 by x, 1 minus 1 by x square, derivative of 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square into, so derivative of log x is 1 by x by using chain rule. So in this 1 by x get cancelled, 1 by log 10 by log 10, this will be 1 by log 10 whole square into 1 by minus 1 by log x whole square. This will be minus of log x whole square. So minus of log x whole square by log 10 whole square. This will be log x by log 10 whole square. Is it clear? Log a square by b square, a by b whole square. This is minus log x by log 10. Log x by log 10, this is nothing but log x base 10 whole square. Therefore, option 2 correct. Let us go to the next problem. Limit x tends, this is from 2016 question. Limit x tends to 0, x e to the power x minus sin x by x. Okay. Now put x place in 0. This value will be 0 minus sin 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 by 0. So 0 by 0 is undefined form. So by using LH property, L'Hopital rule. So what is L'Hopital rule? We should apply derivative on numerator as well as denominator at the same time. So limit x tends to 0. So by using UV formula, so x into derivative of e to the power x plus e to the power x into derivative of x1. This is UV. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u minus derivative of sin x. This will be cos x formula. So denominator x derivative 1. Now put x place in 0, this value 0 into anything 0, e power 0 minus cos 0. So e to the power 0, anything power 0 is 1, 1 minus cos 0 value 1. So answer will be 0. Option 3 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016 question. Tan inverse of x square plus y square is equal to alpha. Then find out dy by dx. So this is the given condition. Therefore x square plus y square is equal to tan alpha. Is it clear? So now applying derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of x square 2x and derivative of derivative of y square, we get 2y into y derivative dy by dx. Derivative of alpha constant, derivative of tan alpha 0. So plus 2x being the right side, therefore 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. 2 get cancelled, therefore dy by dx we got it minus x by y. So option 1 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016 question. X to the power m, y to the power n is equal to x plus y to the power m plus n. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, this type of problems we should take logarithm on both sides. Now taking logarithms on both sides. So log of x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to log of x plus y power m plus n. We have one formula, log m to the power n is equal to n log m. So by using that formula, so first we have to apply log AB formula. Log A into B. log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log of x to the power m plus log of y to the power n. This will be log of x plus y power m plus n. Okay, log x to the power m. Log x to the power m, this would be m log x. According to this formula, this will be m log x. This also n log y is equal to, this will be m plus n into log x plus y. So now applying derivative on both sides. So m constant, derivative of log x, this would be 1 by x. N constant, derivative of log y, 1 by y. But y differentiation into dy by dx, this will be m plus n constant, derivative of log x plus y, 1 by x plus y. But derivative of x plus y, derivative of x1, derivative of y is dy by dx. So by using chain rule, okay, we got it, this value m by x plus n by y into dy by dx. This would be m plus n by x plus y multiply with 1 plus dy by dx. M plus n by x plus y into 1. M plus n by x plus y. M plus n by x plus y into dy by dx. But what is our target? Dy by dx value. So this dy by dx term bring the left side. This m by x bring the right side. Now this will be n by y dy by dx minus m plus n by x plus y dy by dx. This will be m plus n by x plus y. Positive m by x bring the right side, minus m by x. Okay, on left side, one dy by dx take out common. So remaining value n by y minus of m plus n by x plus y. On right side, write as it is. Okay, therefore dy by dx into, so let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Y into x plus y. So after LCM, this n multiply with x plus y, nx plus ny. This is minus of m plus n multiply with y, minus my minus ny. This would be, on right side LCM is y into x plus y, m plus n into x, mx plus nx, minus mx minus my. Both side x plus y get cancelled. In this ny term get cancelled, ny as well as on right side mx term get cancelled. Nx minus my, this is also nx minus my. Nx minus my also get cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx into nx minus my by y is equal to, on right side also same, nx minus my by x. Nx minus my get cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y by x. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Okay, this based on one problem is given in 2019. So x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y power m plus n. Then formula dy by dx is equal to y by x. So in 2019 question, x to the power 1 by 3, y to the power 1 by 2 is equal to x plus y power 5 by 6. Okay, then we have to find dy by dx, where m is equal to 1 by 3 and n is equal to 1 by 2. First, we have to find m plus n value. M plus n is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. This will be 5 by 6. Already in statement, power 5 by 6 is given. Therefore, m plus n equal to 5 by 6. This is verified. Verified. So first this answer, therefore dy by dx is equal to, so answer is y by x. Y by x, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016 question. The function f of x is equal to integral part of x is continuous at, options are given 1.5, 4, 1, minus 2. So what is continuity definition? We have f of x is continuous at x is equal to a, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Where left hand limit formula, limit extends to a minus f of x, and right hand limit formula is limit extends to a plus f of x. So what is the statement? F of x is equal integral part of x is continuous at, options 1.5, 4, 3, 4, 1, minus 2 given. Okay. By using verification method, let us take first option. Option 1, at x is equal to 1.5. Now we have to find left hand limit. This formula, limit extends to 1.5 minus f of x. So limit extends to 1.5 minus. So below 1.5, less than 1.5, where f of x value, right integral part of x. So less than 1.5, between 1 to 1.5 integral part of x value 1, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, these all values are equal to 1. So this will be 1. Now we have to find right hand limit. Limit extends to 1.5 plus f of x. So limit extends to 1.5 plus integral part of x value, integral part f of x value, integral part of x. So greater than 1.5. So between 1.5 to 2. So 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, these all values are equal to 1. In these all values, integer value is 1. So this will be 1. Therefore left hand limit to right hand limit both are equal. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1.5. So option 1 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So y is equal to f of x square plus 2 and f dash 3 is equal to 5 given. We have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So what is given? Y is equal to f of x square plus 2. Now derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y, we get dy by dx. Derivative of f of x square plus 2. This will be f dash x square plus 2 into derivative of x square plus 2 by using chain rule. Derivative of x square 2x and derivative of 2 will be 0. So at x is equal to 1, we have to find dy by dx. So this will be f dash 1 square plus 2, this is 3, into 2 into x value 1. So 2 times of, so f dash 3 value from statement, this value 5 given. Answer is 10. So option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So x and y values are given. Then we have to find dy by dx whole square plus 1. First, we have to find dy by dx. So derivative of what is y function given? A sin cube theta by derivative of x value a cos cube theta. Now in this a constant, derivative of sin theta whole cube by using x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1 into derivative of sin cos theta by using chain rule. In denominator a constant, derivative of cos cube theta. So 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 into derivative of cos, this will be minus sin theta. In this a 1 3 get cancelled. Okay, this will be sin square theta into cos theta by, in denominator, minus cos square theta into sin theta. One sin theta as well as cos theta get cancelled. So remaining will be minus tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta minus tan theta. This is dy by dx. So what is required? Dy by dx whole square plus 1, this is required. So dy by dx whole square plus 1, where dy by dx value minus tan theta whole square plus 1. So this will be tan square theta plus 1. So tan square theta plus 1, we have formula secant square theta. So option 1 correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015 question. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Now put expression 0, 1 minus cos 0, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0. This is undefined form. So by using L'Hopital rule. So what is the L'Hopital rule? We should applying derivative on numerator as well as denominator at the same time. So limit x tends to 0. So differentiation of 1, 0. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This whole divided by differentiation of x square is 2x. This one, in this 1 by 2 constant, limit x tends to 0. So minus into minus plus sin x by x. So this will be 1. So answer is 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So option 1 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So f of x is equal to 3x minus 8 if x less than or equal to 5. If x greater than 5, f of x value 2k given. Where f of x is continuous, then find out k value. So what is the continuous definition? Where f of x is continuous. In this statement, what is the common point? Common point is 5. So continuous at x is equal to 5. But our target is k value. So x less than or equal to 5. So x less than or equal to 5 means 5 less than 5 numbers satisfied in first condition, greater than 5. Greater than 5 satisfied numbers on second condition. Therefore, where f of x is continuous at x is equal to 5, now we have left hand limit is equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 5. So now left hand limit formula, limit x tends to 5 minus f of x. On right hand limit formula, limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. So this will be limit x tends to 5 minus. So 5 minus. So first condition f of x value 3x minus 8. So limit x tends to 5 plus. So 5 plus greater than 5 numbers, then f of x value 2k. So this will be, put expression 5, this value is 3 5 is 15 minus 8 is equal to, on right side constant function is there. So write as it is. So this is 7 is equal to 2k, k is equal to 7 by 2. Option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. X is equal to ct, y is equal to c by t. Then we have to find dy by dx at a t is equal to 2. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of, so what is the y function? C by t given. C by t, this whole divided by derivative of what is x given? Ct. So this will be in the c constant. So derivative of 1 by t. Derivative of 1 by t, we have 1 minus 1 by t square. We know that formula derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Okay. This whole divided by c constant and the derivative of t also dt. In denominator c constant, derivative of t dt. So dt dt as well as c also get cancelled. So answer is minus 1 by t square. So what is this value? Dy by dx. But our target at t is equal to 2. So at t is equal to 2, dy by dx will be, so minus 1 by 2 square, this is minus 1 by 4. So option 1 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So y is equal log of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Then find out dy by dx. First, by using log a by b formula, we have log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So y is equal to log of 1 minus x square minus log of 1 plus x square. Okay. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of log function. We have derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of log 1 minus x square. This will be 1 by 1 minus x square into the derivative of inner function. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of minus x square minus 2x. Okay, by using chain rule. So log of 1 plus x square, this will be 1 by 1 plus x square. But derivative of 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 0 and x square derivative 2x. Now in this minus 2x take out common, minus 2x. So let us do LCM. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. Okay, this would be 1 plus x square. So 1 minus x square into 1 plus 1 minus x square. In this x square get cancelled. So minus 2x into 2 minus 4x by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus x to the power 4. Option 2 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So what is given? G of x function is given. Then we have to find g dash of 0. So g dash means derivative of z function. So now derivative applying derivative with respect to x on both sides. So derivative of g of x is g dash x. 1 by 200 constant. Derivative of x to the power 200. This will be by using x to the power n formula. N into x power n minus 1. 200 into x to the power 199. 1 by 99 into derivative of x to the power 199. This will be 199 into x to the power 198 plus and so on. Derivative of x1 and 5 derivative of 5 0. So what is required? G dash of 0. So at x is equal to 0, this will be g dash of 0 is equal to 200 get cancelled. So 0 power 199 0, 0 power 198 0. So all values are 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. This will be 1. So which option is correct? So second option is correct. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.